Hi everyone, this is Ratna here. Welcome back to my channel. Wish you a very happy Labor Day. To reward your hard work, here is a simple and easy mango lassi. So to a blender, we'll add a cup of yogurt or curd, followed by a cup of mango puree or a cup and a half mango, cut it into cubes, and finally a tablespoon sugar or sugar to your taste. Now we can blend it well and transfer it to a glass, chill it in the refrigerator and serve. It's very refreshing and filling, and I really hope you'll make it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Also thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.